Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 1/4 NPT Tap is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional plumber, enabling precise threading of pipes and fittings for secure connections in a wide range of applications, from home plumbing repairs to industrial machinery. This versatile tool ensures that your projects are completed with efficiency and reliability, making it a must-have for anyone serious about their craft. Number 5. Drill America DWTPT Series 1, 4-18 Nepal Time Pipe Tap. Introducing the Drill America 1, 4-18 Nepal Time Pipe Tap from the DWTPT series. This tool is designed for efficient pipe thread maintenance. It's perfect for cleaning and rethreading damaged or jammed pipe threads. Restore your pipes with ease. Constructed from robust carbon steel, this tap offers excellent durability. Its uncoated design makes it suitable for a wide variety of tasks. Featuring a straight flute design, it effectively collects chips during cutting. This makes it ideal for most shallow cut applications. The right-hand cut ensures a smooth and efficient cutting action when used clockwise. Get the job done right with this reliable tool. It also includes a round shank with a square end for a secure grip. This provides better control during operation. What we like. This tap is designed for general-purpose use, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of applications. Its straight flute design allows for easy chip collection, which is beneficial for most threading tasks. If you are looking for a straightforward, uncoated tool for common pipe threading needs, this is a solid option. What people say. The tap is sharp and cuts cleanly. It has a good thread form and is easy to start. The tap is made of high-speed steel, which is durable and long-lasting. Number 4. Century Drill and Tool 93202 NPT 716 Combo Tap. Achieve consistently accurate internal threads with our high-quality cutting edges. This ensures a tight and secure fit for all your pipe fittings and threaded connections. It is fully heat-treated and tempered for superior durability. This improves wear resistance and ensures a longer tool life, even with demanding use. Designed specifically for hand tools, it offers the control and accuracy you need. This makes it perfect for DIYers, plumbers, and professionals. Built to meet national pipe thread specifications, it is perfect for creating internal threads. Use it on a wide range of pipes, fittings, and plumbing components. This set conveniently includes the appropriately sized 7/16-inch drill bit. It provides a complete solution for preparing and threading holes, saving you time. What we like. Experience superior durability and accuracy with this heat-treated tap. It's optimized for hand cutting, offering excellent control for DIYers and professionals alike. If you need a complete solution for precise pipe threading and appreciate the convenience of an included matching drill bit, this combo is ideal for you. What people say. The 2164 drill bit is matched perfectly to the tap, giving you clean, tight threads without overcutting. The tap cuts smoothly with minimal chatter, and the bit stays sharp through multiple holes. Use this kit to drill and tap an oversized hole for a 14-inch-18 NPT oversized drain plug. Worked perfectly. Number 3. Drill America 5-piece NPT Pipe Tap Set. This set is designed specifically for creating or repairing internal threads in pipe fittings. They are essential tools for maintenance and repair work. Made from high-quality, uncoated carbon steel, these taps are suitable for a wide range of general-purpose threading applications. They are suitable for many materials, including both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. This offers versatility for use in plumbing, gas, and airline applications. Featuring right-hand cutting action, they engage when turned clockwise. This makes them compatible with most threading tools and standard usage practices. This convenient set includes essential NPT sizes, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4. It comes in a compact plastic case, perfect for plumbers, contractors, or DIYers. What we like. This set offers exceptional value by including 5 essential NPT pipe tap sizes in one convenient package. Made from durable, uncoated carbon steel, it's suitable for a wide array of materials and applications. If you're a plumber, contractor, or DIYer who frequently works with different pipe sizes and needs a versatile, cost-effective solution, this set is perfect. What people say. The tap is sharp and cuts cleanly. It's a good quality tap that threads easily. The tap is well made and durable. Number 2. QWORK 1.4 NPT Pipe Tap. Introducing the QWORK 1.4 NPT Pipe Tap, designed for precision threading. This tool is engineered to easily clean and rethread damaged or jammed pipe threads, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Its right-hand cutting action rotates clockwise, providing a smooth and efficient threading experience. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel, it offers exceptional durability, high strength, and corrosion resistance for long-lasting performance. It's the ideal choice for working with pipe fittings, delivering reliable results without the need for extra treatments or coatings. What we like. This tap is specifically engineered to tackle damaged or jammed pipe threads, making repairs a breeze. Its durable, heat-treated carbon steel construction ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. If your primary need is to restore existing threads or clean up problematic pipe fittings, this tool offers the strength and precision required. What people say. This tap was the right size and the right tool for the job. Cleaned up the threads nicely. The overall construction is very respectable, and the cutting edges are sharp and precise. The resulting holes are tapped clean and receive their male counterparts just as expected. This tap and an extension allowed me to reach the stripped-out brass fitting in the wall and repair the threads on it so I could install the new shower head leak-free. Number 1. HORUSDY 5-piece NPT Pipe Tap Kit. This comprehensive set covers the 5 most commonly used NPT sizes. It allows you to handle everything from minor repairs to complete installations without needing to search for individual tools. Forged from high-grade carbon steel, these tools are designed for durability. They resist wear and breakage, ensuring reliable performance even with tough metal pipes. Engineered for precision, each tap creates smooth, accurate threads. This ensures tight, leak-free connections for secure plumbing systems in any environment. This versatile kit isn't just for plumbing. It's suitable for various materials like iron, stainless steel, aluminum, and plastic, making it ideal for mechanics, HVAC techs, and DIYers. A heavy-duty storage case keeps all 5 taps protected and organized. This means less time searching for tools and more time completing your projects efficiently. What we like. Get ready for any plumbing job with this comprehensive 5-piece NPT Pipe Tap Kit. Constructed from premium carbon steel and housed in a heavy-duty storage case, these taps are built for lasting performance and easy organization. If you're a professional or serious DIYer who demands reliability, durability, and the convenience of having all common sizes readily accessible, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. I used one of these in aluminum and it cut nice sharp threads. Sized well. Good pipe tap assortment. Handy storage case made of good quality materials. Product works great and got here fast. Ordered on Saturday, got it on Monday. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.